My name is Amber and I am a Homeworks by Precept consultant representing BJU Press Homeschool Curriculum. Today, I would like to give you an inside look at some of our vacation stations. BJU Press Homeschool Curriculum has vacation stations designed for students that are transitioning between grades. So in this video clip, I will show you the book for transitioning from kindergarten to first grade to second, and second grade to third. You can find my other video that will include upper grades all the way up to those students transitioning between 6th and 7th grades. So let's get started by looking at the vacation station for kindergarten to first grade. These are typically designed to be used over the summer to help your student always be refreshing on concepts that have to do with math, reading comprehension, and English. They're designed to use for 10 weeks, and at the beginning of each week there is a page that looks like this, and you'll see that it's asking your student to circle how many pages that they've done for that day. There are only 2 pages per day, and then there at the bottom it gives them a chance to color a star for every 10 minutes that they have read. So as your student progresses through this book, they will be doing things like, for instance, this is on day 5 of a particular week, week 5, and here you'll see they're counting money and circling what goes with the amount over here. They are doing the next letter of the alphabet inside the bug, so this would be A, B, C, and then D. Over here, they are coloring pictures with different sounds using a certain color. And then here they're asked to draw a picture to represent what is listed below. So that would be all that would be asked of them on that day. Now as they move forward through the book, this for instance is week 9. So they're going to read the story, and then based on the story they're going to answer some questions. They're also going to do some math review, and then circle the ones that you can hear, so helping them understand sound. And then week 10, which would be the final week of the book, this is day 1. They have a math section here where they would have to fill in the missing numbers 1 through 50. Also doing ending sounds, looking at the picture and then answering questions, so some comprehension skill. And then up here, doing ordinal numbers and coloring to match that. Now at the end of every book, there is a certificate of completion that you are able to fill out for your student, and then you can give that to them at the end. The other thing that you'll want to know when using these vacation stations is that all the answers are in the back of the book. So depending on how you intend to use this, you may not want to just hand this book to your student. All right, so that was kindergarten to first grade. This book here is designed for students transitioning from 1st to 2nd grade. And you'll notice this book has a Western cover, has a Western theme throughout. Again, 10 weeks long. And I'll show you a few things inside this book. Week 3, again, I must just like to start here. It shows you that your student can circle a cow for each page that they've done for that day. There is a spot for parent initials. That's for you to decide how you want to use that. Some people use this very formally and others use it very informally. So we've given you all the tools to use it either way. And then again, in this book, they're also going to be asked to read 10 minutes a day and color a star. So that gives them up to 30 minutes a day to read. And then as they move through this book, they will be doing similar things, but at an age-appropriate and grade-appropriate level. So here they're going to read a story, answer some questions on that story, doing some hour and minute work, and then doing some syllable work. And then this is week 10. And here is just a fun little math fact review. And then it has them unscramble the message down here. Writing vowel sounds. Writing the missing numbers by 2s, 5s, and 10s. And then circling the correct word and writing it based on the picture that they see. Again, there is a certificate of completion at the back, as well as the answer key behind that. All right, and then the final one that we'll look at in this video is the vacation station for students transitioning between 2nd and 3rd grade. This one has an ocean expedition theme. And what do you know? We're starting on week 3 with our first example. So again, how many pages they've completed. Each day only requires 2 pages. And again, every 10 minutes of reading, but instead of giving them space to color a star for every 10 minutes totaling 30, we've now added a 4th star, so totaling 40 minutes. All right, as you'll see on this page here, they are identifying shapes and specifically how many sides, corners, and square corners. They are going to draw a line through the sentence that does not make sense. Here is some math problems. This would include borrowing. And then determining here in the sentence if it should be ER or EST. For instance, Alex built the bigger sandcastle on the beach, or Alex built the biggest sandcastle on the beach. Then as they move along, some other things that they will be doing are reading a story and answering comprehension questions, using a ruler, and then rewriting sentences, looking for punctuation and capitalization errors and fixing those. I'll just show you a few other spots. Again, more math problems. Some involving, these are subtraction problems, some involving borrowing, some not. Again, looking for sentences and fixing those for capitalization and punctuation errors. And then here in week 9, they're almost done with the vacation station. They are doing some math concepts up here of recognizing shapes. Circling antonyms or opposites in the group, doing some math problems and then checking their work, and then some syllables again. And then finally, that certificate of completion. So this video included vacation stations K-1, 1-2, and 2-3. If you have more questions about vacation stations, I would encourage you to contact your local Homeworks by Precept consultant. Thank you for joining me today.